Hi, have you ever needed to add a brand logo from a well-known brand, or maybe not quite so well-known brand, to a presentation or document? Well, I've just found a really easy way to do it. Let me go over to my screen and show you how. I'm Kim from Be Graphic Designer and a Canva Canvassador. And this week I was trying to put together a presentation and I needed some different logos. It was on YouTube SEO, and I was just struggling to get some of the logos that I really wanted. What I've always done in the past is go onto Google Images or go to the brand itself and download their tools. And I end up with far too much and not what I want. I have found the most fantastic shortcut to that. There's something called Brandfetch, which is an app on Canva that they've had for ages. And I don't think I ever really realized what it was about. I'm not quite sure how I came across it this time. Go to apps, Brandfetch. And you can see some ones I was looking for recently. I wanted the Google logo. I wanted VidIO, not that common, TubeRanker, InVideo, and vidIQ. These are all part of the presentation I was doing. But if we even put in, let's say Canva, that comes up with the current Canva logo. If I click on that, and then I have all these options of what I can choose. I'll use this one. Doesn't show up terribly well on my background, so I'd need to change that. It does give me the option of changing the colors, but I know Canva wouldn't like that at all. So I'm not going to do that. And obviously I can move it around. I can change the size, all the usual things I can do with the image, which is great. If I make it larger, it looks better. Well, that's an obvious one to have on Canva. Let's clear that one. And let's put in something like, what can I put in? Let's put in something like Starbucks. And you can see it's come up with a load of options for newspapers and all sorts of things. And here it's got Starbucks, and the whole series of logos. And I can have a black and white one, or I can have the green one, which is typical. What I've used is just the standard presentation template, so I can show you. And click on that. And again, I now have the perfect logo. And as you can see, Brandfetch has successfully uploaded it to my media file. So I'll have that available if I ever want to use it again. And I was really quite surprised at the number I've been able to come across. As I said, I didn't think vidIQ and some of these were that well known. I was really pleased. And it's just an amazing time saver. As I said, before I would have had to find it, download it, and then upload it again. And this has just saved me masses of time. And I'm sure I'm going to use it more often. Short video this week. I hope that helps, and I will see you soon.